Hello YouTube family, I'm Zameer and you're watching Techinformer. We are back with a new exciting video. Guys, we basically flash smartphones using a PC or a laptop. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to flash your smartphone using another rooted smartphone. In this video, I'm going to perform 4 major steps. In first step is about installation of ADB and Fastboot module on your rooted smartphone. Second step is about flashing of Twrp recovery.image. In third step, we are going to flash Twrp Installer.Zip. In fourth step, we are going to flash Magisk.Zip. It is an important step for rooting your device. So, without wasting further time, let's get started into the video. Firstly, open Magisk. In module section, search for ADB and Fastboot. Download and install ADB and Fastboot binaries. After successful installation, just reboot your device. After rebooting, open Magisk application, and in the module section, you can check whether the application is properly installed or not. After successful installation of module, you can proceed for further steps. To get complete information, watch the video till the end without skipping. Requirements: original USB cable, a OTG cable and a rooted smartphone. Connect USB cable to OTG and then connect OTG to the rooted smartphone, and then connect other end of the USB cable to the device which you wanted to root. After that, you can see USB debugging window appears on your screen. Just allow USB debugging permissions. Then download Terminal Emulator on your rooted phone, which is available on the Google Play Store, or you can download it from the link in the description. After opening Terminal Emulator, then type ADB devices. Then it will display the attached devices. After that, you have to boot your phone into Fastboot. For that, press and hold volume up, down and power key together for around 10 seconds. When the logo appears, release them. After that, you will boot into Fastboot mode. Open new tab and you have to give root permissions, for which type SU and click on enter. Then type Fastboot devices. You can see our device is successfully detected. This is an important step. Every device has different commands. I am flashing OnePlus 7 Pro. Then type Fastboot boot and paste the directory where the twrp recovery.img is located. Remember one thing, rename the recovery as twrp recovery or the name you like, and after pasting the directory, then you have to paste the file name. I have renamed my file as twrp.img, so I'm copying that too and pasting in the emulator. After that, just execute the command by clicking on enter. Then it will take some time for flashing recovery image. After that, your phone will directly boot into the Twrp recovery, or else just select recovery mode in the Fastboot and click on volume up key. Then your device boots up in Twrp recovery. Then enter your pattern or PIN. It takes some time for decrypting your data. Click on install and install the Twrp Installer.Zip. If your device do not need flashing Twrp Installer.Zip, then you can skip this step. After flashing, you can flash Magisk.Zip, or if you want to flash VB Meta, then select VB Meta and flash it in the VB Meta section. After that, you have to flash Magisk.Zip. It's a final step. Note, every command you execute will be same as the procedure you follows in the PC or the desktop, but the difference is that you are flashing by using a mobile phone without using a PC. Your phone is recognizing your device due to ADB and Fastboot module installed on it. After flashing, just reboot your system. It takes some time for the first reboot. If your device breaks, then you can unbreak it by flashing Magic's uninstaller from Twrp recovery. After booting up your phone, just unlock your screen. In the app list, Magic's installed on your phone. Open Magic's and you can see that your device is successfully rooted. Hope you like this video. If you are getting any trouble regarding installation of ADB and Fastboot module, let me know in the comment section below so that we make a dedicated video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe to Techinformer.